Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the... Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the new things going on with MobileSentrix. Let's get into the video. A quick recap of last week. On Tuesday, we covered a bunch of different fun videos, covering a bunch of different difficult repairs that I found on YouTube. On Wednesday, I covered an iPhone 14 Pro, how to fix the proximity sensor flex, the 5G antenna, and the display IC, going over removing, reballing, and installing it on a tag-on flex. On Thursday, I covered two different methods for replacing the charge port on an iPad. One was replacing the actual port itself on the flex, and everything that's involved with that, along with tips and tricks on how to replace the actual flex itself so that you can have an easier time soldering on one of these massive flex cables. And on Friday, I went over an iPad Pro showing how to fix a particular backlight issue, breaking down my thought process following a schematic and BoardV software so that we could isolate and fix the damaged components, going over the different components that we need to replace. For example, this diode that had blown, showing how to easily remove one so that you don't overheat the board, how to salvage one from a donor board so that you can have a fully working backlight, just like that. Now on to things new with MobileSentrix. We now have Ampsentrix Basic batteries, compatible with the iPhone 16 series, redefining basic in battery technology, the ultimate choice among aftermarket batteries from any supplier. Compatible with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro, and 16, making these affordable with OEM quality TI chips and FPC connectors similar to OEM. Also a price drop on pre-owned Apple Watch Series SE 2nd Gen with our A-grade 40mm at $115, a great value for the price, so check those out. And if you weren't already aware, there's some exciting news with the Genuine Apple Parts program, now including iPad parts, such as displays, batteries, cameras, power flexes, which you can now see when you go to MobileSentrix Genuine Apple Parts. You can now see that apart from the iPhones, you've got your iPad Air 2024 and 2025 models, along with the Pro 2024s, minis, and your regular iPad. Just clicking on one, you can see that there's everything from the displays, the charge ports, the speakers, the adhesives, power buttons, volume buttons, etc. Some of these still need to be updated with photos, but you get the picture. And last but not least, the iFixit Mandible Pliers, the Mandible 3 plier set, or each of them available on their own. If there's something that you see on the website that you'd like to see a video of, and I haven't already made it, leave it in the comments below. If there's a YouTube channel that you'd like me to react to, link it down below as well. And or if there's a specific repair that you'd like to see, I'd be happy to make a video on it. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.